Hello friends, welcome to Tech Freak. So friends, in the previous video we see primitive function interfaces. So like if we need to provide the integer value, then we can use int predicate. So there we need to fix the input type, but output is not fixed. Okay, we can use string or any other value also. But now we have these special interfaces in which we have input and output both are fixed. So like this example. So double to int interface. Okay, so this is the interface in which we need to provide the value as double but output is int. So this is the example like double to int, so in which we provide the value as double 3.14 but the output is always integer. So if we have input and output both are fixed, then we can use these kind of interfaces. Okay, so this is the example double to int interface. So we can see similarly we have double to long, int to double, int to long, long to double and long to int. Okay, so let's see one of the example of this. Okay, okay, so in this the provided value is double. Okay, and the method is, let me show you, apply as double. Okay, so here we can pass the integer value like this 12 and let's check the output. So now as you can see the output is 12.0 but we are providing 12. So in this the input is int but the output is always double. So as you can see int to double, so this is the int, the input value, double is the output value, and the method name is apply as double. So this double is the output value. So this way you can use the functions in which input and output both are already known. So let's see this method long to int functions. Okay, so in which we provide the value long and the output is always int. Okay, so we have these two int kind of functions also in which we can provide anything but the output is always int. So this is one of the example. So the interface is two int functions. Okay, so in which you can provide any input value but the output is always int. You can see this, and we know this apply as int, so this int means the output value. So this is one of the example two int functions, so we can provide any value. Okay, but the output is fixed. So we provide the input value but output is always int. So let's see this thing. So this string is the input we provided and output is always int. Okay, so as you can see this is the string input type and the output is always int because we are using two int. So the output is 6 because we use the length of this string. So these are another interfaces. So we have this to int, similarly we have to long, to double, which take any value but the output is always long or double. Okay, so similarly we have to int by function also, so in which this t and u are not fixed but the output is always integer. Okay, so this is one of the example. So here the first input is integer, the second is string. Okay, and we use this a and the second is string, so we use the length of this string, and output is always the combination of these two. Similarly we have to long by function, to double by function. So let's see the example of to int by function. Okay, so let's pass the first input argument as a string, second as integer. You can use both string also. So this is also complete. So now we cover almost all the interfaces that we have. Okay, but now we have these operator kind of interfaces also. So in the next video we see these things, and after that this java.util.function package, all the things are completed. So that's it for now. If you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.